call the neighbors and wake the kids because, folks, it's broadcasting history. Paul, get ready. Ladies and gentlemen, Zippy and the Late Night Monkey Cam. Zippy, come on out here, buddy. Zippy, can I get you a bush pig? Come here, Zippy. Come on back over here, Zippy. Come here. Come on over and say hello to us. Zippy, come here, buddy. Come on. Come on, Zippy. Zippy, come here. Come on. Come on over here, buddy. Yeah, that's a boy. Come on. Come on, where are you? Here, come on. Come on, get up here. Attaboy, Zip. Thank you very much. Thank you, Zip. Towel this off a little bit here. Okay. How you doing, buddy? Nice to see you, Zippy. Thank you. Thank you so much. This really is a technical miracle, isn't it, ladies and gentlemen? There goes. All right. It's the Late Night Monkey Cam, ladies and gentlemen, with Zippy. Zippy, why don't you... oh, he's going up there. All right. It's up on the boom. Oh, maybe a little music here for Zippy. He's climbing up there in the audio boom. And, oh, my gosh, he's hung up. All right. Have a seat up there, Zippy. All right, good enough. There it is. By the way, that late night monkey cam is a registered trademark. So, all right, Zippy, why don't you stay up there, or well, like whatever you want to do, Zippy, it's fine with me. And we'll just go ahead and shall we do this small town news here, and then periodically we'll cut to the monkey cam. There's the rope up there. Okay, Zippy, we'll just position Zippy there. This is. All right. Okay, Zippy, whatever you want to do, that's fine. Just, you want to come over here? Come on over here, Zip. All right, these are, we have little items of interest from